Good morning, everyone. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing really good and practicing all the concepts very nicely. Right, children? So, children, in maths, we have learned many concepts like thick and thin, heavy and light, tall and short. Right? So, today we are going to start with a new topic. Okay, today we are going to start with a new topic. But before that, we will do our prayer. All right, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay, children, so here is your new topic. What is this? There are two thumbs, right? Can you see this one is up? Your thumb is up, right? Can you close it and do it like this? Up. Your thumb is facing up, upper. Now, if you see the other one, the thumb is down. The thumb is down. What does it mean? Today we are going to learn about up and down. मतलब ऊपर and नीचे. So up मतलब क्या? ऊपर. Can you see this thumb is going up? मतलब ऊपर. Down मतलब नीचे. So children, I will show you some more examples for up and down and you will understand. Chalo, let's start. Alright children, so can you see this? The one swing is going up. जो एक ये दोनों कौन किस पर बैठे हैं? ये दोनों सी सॉ पे बैठे हैं. किस पे बैठे हैं? सी सॉ पे बैठे हैं, राइट? यू कैन सी दिस इन योर प्ले एरिया, राइट? तो आप दो बच्चे जब यहाँ बैठ जाओगे तो वन विल गो अप एंड द अदर विल गो down. Other will go down. So if you can see over here, the girl is going up. The girl is going up and the boy is down. मतलब वो नीचे है, जो ज़मीन की तरफ नीचे है, and the girl is going up in the sky. We say ना look up in the sky मतलब ऊपर. Okay children? Now let's see. And now over here, who is going up? You think and tell me who is going up, children. Can you see clearly who is going up? Think. Think. Is the girl going up? Is the girl going up? No, it is the boy that is going up on the seesaw. मतलब जो boy है वो ऊपर की तरफ है and the girl is going down and the girl is going down. See, can you see the girl? उसको देखो वो नीचे जा रही है, right? The girl is going down. The girl is going down. Now we'll see the next. Oh my God, this is the slide, right? आप ये stairs पे से चढ़ के slide के ऊपर जाते हो, up जाते हो, right? So the girl has already reached. Girl ऊपर ही है. See, can you see the girl is sitting up in the sky so high and the boy is standing down on the ground. Down on the ground. नीचे है, नीचे. So everyone do the action. The boy is down. The boy is down and the girl is up in the sky. Up. Okay. Now let's see what we have. Another example. Okay, children, can you see this boy is going where? Up. आपके भी घर पे या आपके बिल्डिंग में सीढ़ियाँ होंगी, राइट? स्टेयर्स जिससे आप चढ़ के ऊपर आपके घर पे जाते हो, राइट? इफ़ यू आर लिविंग ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर और सेकंड फ्लोर, क्या करना पड़ता है आपको? आपको चढ़ना पड़ता है सीढ़ी पे और आपको घर पे तब पहुंच पाओगे व्हेन यू गो अप on the stairs, right? If you are in the lift, तो आप लिफ्ट में होगे तो आप कौन सा बटन प्रेस करते हो, 1 2 या ऐसे, when you're going up, right? So up जाती है लिफ्ट, ऊपर जाती है लिफ्ट, right? And when you want to come down to go out to somewhere, तो आप क्या करते हो, घर से बाहर निकल के और ऊपर जाते हो? नो, यू कम डाउन। लिफ्ट का भी आप नीचे का बटन प्रेस करते हो, डाउन बटन प्रेस करते हो। सिमिलरली व्हेन यू कम बाय स्टेयर्स यू डू लाइक दिस। आप जब नीचे आते हो, डाउन आते हो, तो आप ये लड़की की तरह नीचे उतर के आते हो, दैट इज डाउन, दैट इज डाउन। ओके चिल्ड्रन, so this is the way you understand about up and down. So again, give me a thumbs up. So you're going to do up, up, up. Now if I ask you, show me a thumbs down, down, the thumbs down, down. Okay children, so this is how you understand about up. Do like this, up and down. There are many more actions that you can do for up and down. For example, this head, look up, do the action, do up. Now look down, so head go down. Okay children, so this is how you understand about up and down. Now we will do our classwork. Everyone, you can open page number 36 of your book All About Me, and you can start with this topic. Okay, so let me show you again. Can you see the picture of up and downs over here? Who is up? Can you see? The girl is up and the boy is down, right? So here you don't have to do anything, you have to do it down when I show you. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to take the pictures that shows up. आपको टिक करना है वो पिक्चर्स जो अप, ऊपर की तरफ है, एंड क्रॉस फॉर डाउन, right? Cross for down. So let's see what all things. Okay, so can you see the ball? That boy is throwing up. The ball is going up. So you are going to tick it like this. Now, can you see the cross? Can you see the ball down on the ground? ये ball जो है वो ground पे है. It's down. So you're going to cross. You're going to cross like this. Okay. So you're going to cross like this. Okay. Now, if you see on the slide, the boy is sitting up on the slide. So you're going to tick. You're going to tick. And over here, the boy came down. So you're going to cross. You're going to cross. So children, this is the way you do your worksheet and understand the concept of up and down. I'll show you again. Can you see the pictures that are up and cross the ones that are down? So like this you are going to complete. Okay, I hope you all have understood the concept children. Have a good day and complete your work. Understand all the concepts. If you don't understand, keep watching the video as well and do the activities. Okay children, have a good day. Thank you. Bye.